Welcome back, business owners. Today we are going to create an ad campaign using AI. We are going to research a brand, then we are going to create ad creatives for that brand, then we are going to write ad copies for that brand, then using my special playbook, we are going to get how many ad creatives, how many ad sets, and what settings, what audience to choose. And at the end, we are going to give it to a special AI to set up the ad campaigns for you. Let's begin. So the brand we are going to use today is Cuts Clothing. Let me just get it here. Yeah, this brand is called Cuts Clothing and they give clothes, right? So this brand specifically, we are going to create ad creatives, then we are going to research about this. First we are going to research about this brand, then we are going to create ad creatives. So I will copy this brand link and then I have a prompt ready with me. This is the brand research prompt and I'm going to do this brand research using Perplexity, as this is one of the best brand research tool that I've found. You can either use Google Deep Research or Perplexity. I'm not going to deep research. I just want a basic research for this brand. So I'm just going to use Perplexity for this basic research. I'm going to use its Sonar model, or any best model which it chooses by itself. So here we are, and I send it for the research. Let it do its research and then we will come back. You can also use Perplexity computer for it. And by the time that Google and this deep research is working, we are going to create ad creative for this brand. So to do that, we are going to go formally by Google. This is the interface of it. We will click on Let's Go. And when you will click on Let's Go, it will ask for the website for its business DNA research. And we will paste the website link here directly. Then we will click on Continue. Now it will analyze the website and it will get its DNA. So this is our brand research that is done. I will read it in a minute. We have Facebook library here, and they have this logo. It's called cutsclothing.com. Okay, Cuts Clothing. Oh, here we have this brand, Cuts Clothing. So we can see its ad right here. And why I am actually on its ad library is to take inspiration or to take what ads are actually running or actually working here. So I'm going to sort it by impressions that are high to low. I don't have the conversion rate of it, so I'm just going to use the impressions. Now, Formally by Google has done its work. You can see the logo, the font, the colors, the tagline, brand values, brand aesthetic, business overview, and the images it was able to take from it. We will click on Continue. Let's look at what research it has done. So from the research point of view, we have business overview. What do they do? The core products, the revenue model, target geography, target audience, demographics, physiographics, pain points, t-shirts that look too casual, fit poorly, loose shape, buyers want fewer but better wardrobe decisions. Then we have a unique selling point, that is work leisure, essentials that combine comfort, polish and versatility in a minimalist wardrobe system. Then we have product and services breakdown, pricing, positioning, key benefits and everything. So I'm going to make this whole download as a PDF for me. By the time we write another prompt that is specifically for writing the ad copies So this is the prompt. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to Claude. I'm going to paste it here. By the way, if you are thinking why I generated a prompt through ChatGPT, this is because I have a specific prompt writer that is created by giving it the data of all the best prompts available. So here we copy paste that prompt and paste output. Okay, I'm gonna state that it is an attached file. Okay, and then I am going to give it files from here. So this is our brand research that we did. I've attached it here. Okay, so my researching limits were over on my pro account, so I switched it to another account on Pomeli, and I have created this ad campaigns again. Now I can even create my own custom ad creatives because on this account my limit hasn't been reached. You can try up to 5 up to 15 campaigns on one single day. That is the limit. I think is it on one free account, not even free account, one account. So yeah, now I'm gonna check their ads. This one is the first ad we have, your summer blah blah blah. We can even animate this and we can even download this. I'm gonna download this one. So yeah, by the way, this campaign is specifically for equipping the ambitious travelers. So this is targeting travelers specifically. Then we have another campaign, experiencing high demand, engineered for performance. This one is not good. This is again the same photo because we got only limited photos from the website. However, it can generate photos via its own AI. Okay, this one is different. It is for gift the standard. I like this one. So we are going to specifically take this campaign. First of all, we are going to animate this first one and then we are going to download this campaign. So we're taking this campaign specifically. Okay, one, and then we have 2 downloads. So I'm gonna have 2 creatives here. Try up to a lot of ads per ad set. The reason is because different ads have a different kind of purpose. For example, you will be shown this ad first, then if you buy it, okay, you might see a low CPM on this ad, but when later this ad starts converting into sale, Facebook will show you another ad. That is the reason that one ad actually reaches to more people but other doesn't. But at the same time, the ad that reaches more people shows the lower amount of sale, but the ad that is reaching less people showing more amount of sale, because the low amount of sale ad is being shown at the second time to the same people in the same ad set, same campaign. Now I have downloaded about 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of ads. Let this one be completed. Then we will move on to Claude and we will add all the images. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna add some photos here, just like this. 1, 2. So I've added 2 photos here. One is being created as an animated ad. Let's see this ad. Okay, simple. That is why Pomeli is actually more for retargeting. So we will create a retargeting campaign with this. I'm gonna go to Claude. I'm gonna attach that back. And here is that ad. So I have attached the brand research and we need ad creatives for that. Below I'm gonna say that I have attached 3 ad creatives, and these ad creatives are for a retargeting campaign of celebrating the standard setters Father's Day. So Father's Day is coming, it knows this, and for that purpose it is specifically creating this. I'm going to copy this. See, it's written for the fathers who define what is possible every single. So this ad is specifically for Father's Day. So this specific campaign is for Father's Day campaign. Okay, campaign of celebrating standard Father's Day. Okay, done. Now we need ad copies for this. I'm going to send it. So basically with these three creatives we are going to do A/B testing and run multiple kind of ads. Once we have this all ad copies done, then we will get everything we need to do. For example, how many ad sets should be there. For this example we have only one campaign, so yeah, that is the thing. Father's Day, we have it ready kind of, right? Hook, the founders, operators, social proof, aspiration. See how great Claude is. So every ad is specifically targeted for Meta plus any other, like Meta plus Google, Meta plus TikTok, and like that. See, these are the 10 ad creative angles that we have. 10 ad strongly possible hooks we have. We are going to copy this all hooks. And what are these? These are ad copy packages. Okay, I have everything. Let me so we're going to get these all. Download the file. I want it as a file, right? Okay. Mine downloaded as a file. Not as a PDF, huh? Oh, HTML file, okay. Fine, HTML file works. Now we are going to go to Claude again. Since my Claude limits are over there, I might go to Perplexity Computer for this, or Gemini, because Gemini is very great when it comes to strategic things. So let's go to Gemini. Gemini.google.app. Now we are going to copy prompt number 3, which will give us everything we need to know. We copy this strategist media buyer prompt. Then we go here, and in this we gonna go to thinking mode, and brand researched is attached, ad copies attached. Second, PDF of my special playbook attached. One more thing will be attached, that is ad creatives, and I'm going to say attached. Now we will be attaching those. So here we go. Okay, fine, whatever. Here we are. Number 1 is this, number 2 is this, and this all, right? So we have this ready, and one more thing might be there. Special playbook, not downloaded yet. Here, this is the plug and play advertising playbook. I'm just going to show you how it looks. So this is the plug and profit advertising playbook, and you get everything from basic advertising to advanced advertising. Here we use 4 directions as one single compass: north, east, south, and west, where the north is actually the offer, east is the ad creative and copy, south is the audience, and west is the tracking and profit. Before we advertise, we need to be aware about one single thing, that is profit per product. So for that, we have a specific spreadsheet that we are going to use here. If you want to know more about that spreadsheet, the video is here. Let's move on to that spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to spreadsheet.google.com. Wait, we have it open here. Yep. This is called the KPI spreadsheet, that is actually the unit economics calculator. Right. This is a spreadsheet, and according to this, I don't have the product values actually, and since there are multiple products, we need a weighted average product value. So you can download this playbook from here. For this example, I am not assuming anything because I don't have the exact details, but it's your bet. You have the exact details to use that spreadsheet. Now I'm going to send it and we are going to get everything we need. We will wait for it. Okay, so we have our things ready. This is the campaign structure. First is the cold prospecting. This is a CBO, campaign budget optimization, and we are at a top funnel stage. This is where we will be going and sending the images of Father's Day. Then we have a retargeting campaign, and then we have a testing campaign, final winning creatives with an ABO. So we move on to this. We have our ad creative, ad strategy, hook, campaigns, each and everything ready here. Now, let me just track it. Okay, just see it. However, budget is actually low. If you want to update any budget, you can just give it. For example, I'm just going to keep it this much. However, I would recommend a budget increasement. Number one thing you need to be aware about, if you are running ads for first time, do not start with a sales campaign first. It will get your account banned. Start with an awareness campaign first of all, with $50 or $5, minimum $5 to $50 in your amount, bank ad budget. So I will be getting all of this as exported. When I export it to doc, this campaign specifically included 3 campaigns using one single ad creative. I would say create one single campaign with one type of creative. So we got 3 campaigns basically, 3 campaigns from Pomeli. So you can create one campaign by this whole and then you can run it. If you want to download the prompts, it's below, and we move on. Let me open the docs. Now we have it: creative strategy, tracking and where was it? Budget scaling and testing. Yeah, remember about horizontal and vertical scaling. You can do 2 things. Number 1 type of scaling is horizontal scaling, where you will duplicate the winning ads. Basically, you will be duplicating the winning ads, so you will get more campaigns. Whereas vertical scaling is you will increase your ad budget by 20% in every 48 hours until your ROAS starts to go down. That is the point where you find out what ROAS exactly you need to, how much ad spend is actually good for your ROAS. But remember, the first goal is always to have your break-even ROAS in the ad campaign. Now we have it, execution checklist to everything, and now we will be downloading this as export download. Yep. Awesome. So the last and the final thing we are going to do is we are going to go to the final tool, which is Menace by Meta, because that is the tool which will link with your ad manager and you can run your ads directly. However, if you are an advertising agency, I don't suggest that. Now, you can always connect your Meta Ads Manager here, and then you can start asking for the information that you get from your ads. And that is everything you need. Now you have 2 options. Either you can ask tools like Madness and OpenClaw and everything to set up your AI agency to set up your ads and then run it, or you can do it manually. However, you have the exact strategy for the business, and that's how you do it. My name is Ritesh Patai. I will see you in the next one. Signing off.